Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you how you can download your TikTok data. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. For that, simply go ahead, open up your TikTok app and go ahead, tap on this profile at the bottom right corner. Now go ahead, tap on this 3 horizontal line on top right corner. Tap on your settings and privacy, tap on my account, and then go ahead, tap on download your data. Now you're gonna go ahead, select all if you want, or you can choose comments, direct messages, income, wallet, likes and favorite, whatever you choose. You can choose a category if you prefer anything else. Then you can tap on request data and it will simply start downloading. When you go to download data, you will be able to see your request data option, and once it has been done, you will receive an email regarding that, and you will get to know whether your data has been downloaded or not, and you can check it out from the downloaded file. Right, that's what you can do. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.